Every day, this factory receives 200,000 liters of fresh milk, tested for fat content.
Fresh milk from 200 farms within 100 kilometers, collected before dawn and delivered by 7 a.m.
Fat 3.8, protein 3.3, the composition that yields the best cheddar. Higher fat means richer flavor, higher protein means better curd formation.
Pasteurization at 72 degrees for 15 seconds belt, destroying pathogenic bacteria while preserving the enzymes. Six vats, 20,000 liters each, 120,000 liters of milk, becoming 12,000 kilograms of cheese. Starter culture between Lactococcus lactis bacteria that convert lactose into lactic acid. 45 minutes of ripening.
Rennet, the enzyme chymosin that transforms liquid milk into solid curd in 30 minutes. 20 milliliters per 1,000 liters.
Curd cutting, wire blades slice the solid mass into 1 centimeter cubes. Smaller cubes release more whey, making a drier,
Cooking at 39 degrees for 45 minutes, the heat causes the curd cubes to shrink, expelling whey and develop.
The curds shrink from 1 centimeter to half a centimeter as whey expels, from soft and fragile to firm and squeaky.
Cheddaring, the step that gives cheddar its name. Curd slabs stacked 3 high, flipped every 15 minutes for 2 hours. Each slab weighs 20 kilograms bulk. Stacked 3 high, the bottom slab bears 60 kilograms of pressure.
Milled curd, finger-sized pieces with maximum surface area for salt absorption. The milling also releases the
Salt at 2% by weight sprinkled onto the milled curds in 3 stages over 30 minutes. Salt controls bacterial growth, development.
"20 kilograms of salted curd per mold bulking, packed by hand and lined with cheesecloth. The molds are stacked under the hydraulic.
Hand packing soldering. The curds must be pressed firmly with no air pockets. Trapped air creates holes. "20 tons for 12 hours. The hydraulic press fuses the milled curds into a solid 20-kilogram block. The cheesecloth creates
The fresh block, white, firm, and mildly tangy. No cheddar flavor yet. The flavor...
Vacuum sealing, all air removed to prevent surface mold. The cheese ages inside the sealed film, developing flavor without losing.
The aging warehouse is at 12 degrees, 85% humidity, and time. 6 months for mild cheddar.
The cheese insertions, a hollow blade inserted to extract a core sample.
Portioning, the 20-kilogram block cut into 200, 400, 400, and 500-gram retail portions. Wire cutters at 200.
Retail packaging, every portion vacuum sealed, labeled with aging time, fat content, and best before date. 12 months of patience in every package.
The label reads 12 months age, 365 days of bacterial fermentation, enzyme activity.
quality lab tests every batch. Fat at 34%, moisture at 37%, pH at 5.
Whey processing. 90,000 liters of golden whey per day ultra-filtered to extract whey protein.
The ultrafiltration, ceramic membranes with pores of 0.1 micrometers separate whey protein from lactose and minerals. The concentration
6 vats, 12,000 kilograms of cheese per day, monitored from one room. Milk at 72 degrees pasteurization.
Six vats, 200,000 liters of milk, 12,000 kilograms of cheddar per day, 4 million kilograms.
Annatto, the natural seed extract from the achiote tree that gives cheddar its golden color. Without it, cheddar would be white.
Cloth-bound cheddar, the traditional method. Muslin cloth sealed with lard creates a natural rind that breathes during aging.
The aging cave. 10 degrees, 90% humidity, and stone walls that have held cheese for 100 years.
The shredding line, aged cheddar blocks at 4 degrees for clean shredding, warm cheddar clumps and sticks. Cellulose anti-caking at 2%, a fine cellulose powder coating every strand to prevent clumping. Without it,
200-gram bags filled by weight at plus or minus 3 grams, nitrogen flushed to displace oxygen and extend shelf life. 8 weeks of freshness in every bag.
processed cheddar slices, aged cheddar melted with an emulsifier at 8 to 5 degrees, then cast into a thin film, cooled. Shift change, 6,000 kilograms of cheddar since morning. Block, shredded, sliced, and cloth bound. The evening team handles mold filling and overnight pressing.
The finger test, the cheesemaker presses into the curd and evaluates the springback. Too soft means continue cooking, too firm.
Fat standardization. The centrifuge separates cream from skim milk at 6,000 RPM. Cream is added back.
Night in the aging warehouse, 12 degrees, every hour of every day. 1 million kilograms of cheese aging.
Vat cleaning between every batch clones. 80-degree caustic wash followed by acid rinse and sterile water flush. 90 minutes of cleaning for every 4 hours of cheese making. Night pressing. 12 hours of 20-ton hydraulic compression while the factory sleeps. By dawn, liquid curds have become solid 20-kilogram cheese blocks.
Demolding. The blocks are firm, white, and smooth. 12 hours of pressing at 20 tons has fused the curds into
Dawn run, 200,000 liters of fresh milk arriving. Yesterday's milk is cheese. Today's milk...
The tasting panel favorite. 5 expert graders score every batch. Flavor from 1 to 9, texture from
The culture lab, Lactococcus lactis, grown in sterile fermenters at 30 degrees. The bacteria that will acidify
calcium chloride at 0.02%. Pasteurization remove.
wax coating silver, melted paraffin at 90 degrees, dipped or brushed onto cheese wheels.
weekly flipping. Every cloth-bound wheel turned by hand to prevent moisture pooling on the bottom. 1,000 wheels, 1,000 flips every week for 18 months.
From milk tanker to aged cheddar in 12 months. Pasteurized, cultured, renneted, cut, cooked, drained.
Afternoon pressing gone. Today's curds packed into molds, loaded under 20-ton presses. By 6 a.m. tomorrow. $200 tons of refrigeration, maintaining 12 degrees in the aging warehouse and 4 degrees in the cutting and packaging room.
Full traceability. Every block traced to the farm that supplied the milk, the culture batch, the VAT number, and the press.
Evening batch teas, the second coagulation of the day. 20,000 litres of milk becoming 2,000 kilogram of curd.
Six vats, 200,000 liters of milk, 12,000 kilograms of cheddar per day. From fresh farm.
Moisture at 37%, the halogen balance heats a curd sample to 105 degrees, measuring weight loss as water evaporates. Too wet makes soft cheese, too dry makes crumbly.
Flavored cheddar, smoked paprika, cracked black pepper, and caramelized onion mixed into milled curds before pressing.
Applewood smoking, cold smoke at 25 degrees for 8 hours. The smoke penetrates the rind, infusing the outer layer with sweet, woody flavor.
24 months, the vintage block opened for grading. 2 years of aging transforms mild white curd into deep golden cheddar.
Microbial rennet ferrofli. Fermentation-produced chymosin, identical to the natural enzyme. 20 milliliters per 1,000 liters of milk.
Robotic stacking. Each 20-kilogram block placed on the aging shelf by a robot that tracks position, date, and batch. The warehouse management system knows the location of every block.
2 years on this shelf, the band. The block will lose 3% of its moisture, develop calcium lactate crystals,
Metal detection before aging thereof. Ferrous above 1.5 millimeters and non-ferrous above 2 millimeters trigger rejection.
Morning clean. Cheddaring tables scrubbed, vats flushed, mold sanitized, presses wiped. The morning team, 60 workers. vat operators, curd makes, cheddaring crews, pressers, and packers.
First batch, 20,000 liters of fresh milk, pasteurized and standardized. Culture added at 8 a.m., rennet at 8:45.
Six vats, 6 stages built here. Vat 1 ripening, Vat 2 coagulating, Vat 3 cutting.
30 years making cheddar, she knows by the sound of the curd knife when the coagulation is perfect. Too soft and the blade swishes, perfect and the blade sings.
Twilight, 6,000 kilograms of cheddar made today. Press is loaded for 12 hours of overnight compression. Tomorrow morning, solid cheese blocks.
Ingredients. The overnight press, 20 tons of pressure across 6 molds. No workers, no noise, just hydraulic pressure.
Dawn Normal. 12 hours of pressure complete. 60 fresh cheese blocks weighing 20 kilograms each.
Temperature logged every 6 seconds at 40 points. If the warehouse drifts above 13 degrees or below 11, the alarm triggers. Temperature stability is flavor consistency.
Break time, 60 workers, vat operators, curd cutters, cheddaring crews, millers, salters, pressers, and packers. Each one a link in the chain from milk to cheese. Dispatch going. 12,000 kilograms of cheddar leaving the factory at 4 degrees. Block, shredded, sliced, smoked.
12,000 kilograms, 200,000 liters of milk, 6 vat batches, 60 molds pressed in 24 hours.
12,000 kilograms of cheddar, from liquid milk to solid cheese.
Late afternoon, the vats are clean, the evening batch begins. Milk in, culture, rennet, cut, cook.
Evening, the culture is working, the acid is rising, the milk is transforming. By midnight, fresh curds will be in molds under pressure. Tomorrow, cheese. Six vats, 12,000 kilograms, 60 workers, culturing, coagulating, cutting, cooking, draining.
From fresh milk to aged cheddar in 12 months. Cultured, coagulated, cut, cooked, cheddared, milled, salted, pressed.
12,000 kilograms of cheddar every 24 hours, 4 million kilograms per year, 60 skilled workers. One extraordinary cheese factory.
6 months, 5 years of aging, the deepest golden color, the sharpest tang, tyrosine crystals that crunch between your teeth, the rarest cheddar this factory produces.
The incredible Cheddar Cheese Factory. Thank you for watching.